friends, I'm Stephanie Hansen and this is Dishing with Stephanie's Dish, and I am getting ready for a dinner party that I'm having tonight, and I am making my prosciutto wrapped asparagus. So you're gonna grab your grocery store prosciutto, and when I am opening the package, I just cut all the way around it and cut the plastic off. And what I am trying to observe when I open this package is I want a good clean sheet so that I can wrap my prosciutto. Sometimes when you open a package, it has like the little tenderloin and that part peels off separately. This actually looks like an ideal package for what I'm gonna be doing, because I'm gonna be wrapping each piece of asparagus in prosciutto. Now, this particular package is pretty wide and long, and my asparagus spears are fresh spring spears, so they're really thin. So I can either wrap them this way, or I can wrap them this way, which is what I'm gonna do, because I'll get twice as many pieces of asparagus wrapped in prosciutto with this one package. So all we're gonna do is carefully peel our piece of prosciutto off of our plastic wrap, and you're just gonna roll it. This is my appetizer, so I don't need a lot for everybody, just kind of a salty, delicious spring morsel. I'm gonna accompany it with a mustard Dijon sauce that I will make for you. So we're just wrapping these up. When you get your whole sheet wrapped, you are gonna wanna cook them in a 400-degree oven till the prosciutto looks crispy and the asparagus looks done. Generally, it takes about 6 minutes. However, you have different levels of crispiness, right? So feel free to do you. What we want, though, is a crispy spear where the asparagus is cooked so that we can put it in our dipping sauce. There is nothing better than fresh, delicious asparagus. But even in the wintertime, this recipe is good because that crispiness of the prosciutto gives it just a delicious little bite. Okay, so I've got 8 guests coming over. This is giving each guest about 3 to 4 spears. I'm gonna just quick give it a drizzle, and I wanna be real strategic because I wanna get as much of this 2 tablespoons on here as I can. So just a little drizzle, little drizzle, little drizzle. I wanna get all the spears covered, including the tops. All right, so that looks good. I wanna hit it with a little salt and a little pepper because of course you want everything seasoned. The prosciutto is a little bit salty, so you don't have to go super heavy on the salt. Give it a little zhuzh, 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 zhuzh of the pepper. And then we're gonna make a little sauce. So these are gonna go in the oven at 400, but my sauce is gonna be simply 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and to that we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of a Dijon mustard. I like this Miley mustard because it's really strong. Now, with this leftover jar, a quick hack, and I'm gonna do this tonight because I'm also making a green salad. I'm gonna make a mustard vinaigrette and I'm gonna assemble it right in the jar and shake it so that I can use up all that leftover mustard bit and not waste anything. I'm just gonna go ahead and stir this together. So here is what our sauce will look like. Again, it's 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Here is our asparagus. For this recipe, go to stephaniesdish.com. It is asparagus with crispy prosciutto as an appetizer for your next party.